Today we'll talk about how can you disable direct messages notifications on your Lemon app. We're going to figure out this solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down, click here in this sign down here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then you click here on push notifications. So then it's going to take you to next step here. Come here to direct messages. Click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean here direct messages notifications disable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.